An area that we measure as part of the success of L2L is where we eliminate paperwork within the facility. What I have in front of you is this is 1 week's worth of data for our finishing department. So there's 52 stacks of those that we were turning in every year. This is 1 month's worth of our PM data from our maintenance department. That's turned in daily, weekly, monthly. This is something we're migrating to. This is one onboarding packet for a new employee. This will be going into L2L, so that'll be soft on the cloud where it's accessible by anyone. And this is our environmental reporting, and this is where we are so far this year. All of this is soft now, so you see the majority of this is now on the cloud. We've eliminated the paperwork, but it's a huge win to where all of this gives us a score immediately of where people are, whether it's production, whether it's training, where we are taking care of equipment, or our environmental safety compliance. So now we have more efficient, effective communication, and we have a lot more time for value add.